Hello, my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. Today's topic now about Dionosaigi. Now about Dionosaigi, you know, Dionosaigi, I never ever talk about you for my platform, but today I said let me really talk about you today because I don't understand you, Dionosaigi. Like seriously, I don't understand you. Like you they try for Nigeria, you are really doing a great job. You are really doing a good job. Like seriously, really. But I don't understand like this part where you want to do now. You say if you say anything will make is a yamu Obaseki win. You say you go come on for Nigeria. You come on for Benin, Badabata. Say you not go stay again. I don't feel maybe you the joke or you not take a serious before. I don't know say you really mean am. Like seriously. I can't watch one of your video just now where your girl they say the girl they tell people say me the no verse. I'll play small moon and listing. Say me the no verse and the decision where Dionosaigi take. Say one close a God sent foundation, or because he say if Obaseki win, if is there Yamu no win, saying go come out. I can't even say na joke. I can't really say the girl they talk and just and say they want close God sent foundation, Dionosaigi want come out. I can't be surprised. What did that one got to do with your God sent foundation? I don't understand. You not go expect, you not be God. We go predict and whether is there Yamu go win or not. You understand? This thing are just game. It's like a game, election, politicians. You don't know about politics. This thing now, either the other party win or the other party win. And without being told before, you supposed to know say this thing either is there Yamu na go win or Obaseki. Even without being told, you're supposed to know say Obaseki na go win this thing before. You supposed to know. You understand? So even though say Obaseki win before, don't stop your foundation. Don't stop your foundation, may not move. Okay, the people where they support you now, people where they Obaseki side I be waiting. I don't understand. Okay, what did that one got to do with your foundation now? When you say you want to come up for Benin? Okay, the people where you the help now, you say me that they survive. How you say me that this? How you say me that they survive? Then they cry just now say you want to come out. Many of them don't rely on you now, you know. And I said this one. I started at the beginning. I said to him, "Otoanatai, Dionosaigi. If you know say you know if you continue at the beginning, you for not start this thing, eh? You for not start my dear. Now, you say you want to come out now. How you say me those people they feed now? The people where you they help. How you say me they take feed? You want to leave them like that? No, not possible. Why I continue? Who stop it? Dionosaigi. You not go stop, oh. You go continue because you don't already start them. If you don't say you don't go finish and you for not start them at the beginning, just talk the truth. Say you don't tire. Not say all those one when you want to come back. Say now Obaseki win. I make you want to come out. Like seriously, my dear. Just talk. Say you don't tire for the whole thing. And here we go understand. Not say you say Obaseki win. I make you want to come out. Doesn't who want believe that one? Dionosaigi. Not because of that one though. It just dey your mind before me you come out. Not because say Obaseki win. I make you want to come out. I don't understand. Anybody when win you see congratulate her. Why you even go talk that kind of thing before? You talk and finish now. If you not come do it, you can't get a B. Then make you want to do one now. I beg. All those one are just again. Maybe people can't begin to beg you say I beg go not come out. So now what do you want to try to do now? Because me, I not see where somebody go talk something finish. Then if you don't come do am, everybody every day, my dear. You understand? Because maybe you don't already talk now. The still can't get a be now. How you want to talk now? Say, you not go come out again. So that make people come begin they beg you. Now all those ones are just idea. More than listen.
How their body they do themselves. We go come help them out with our medical services. When we say for the check vital signs. Apart from that too, now don't say some of our beneficiaries here. Some of their children, they are our school, they call it Gossen Foundation International School. And they know they pay 1 naira for school fees. Some person when we say still there, then they get stipends from a Gossen Foundation, where we say they keep them running every week or every month. Apart from that too, they give out better food stuff. So some when we say you not get better food to chop from a Gossen Fund. Not so. Some of our beneficiaries children too, as soon as know, they our football academy where we say they call those sports. All of these things now one man they run them, not the government they give them money to they run them. So all this why people they try best to make sure say if we still get government support for this kind of better work when they do, because in those say the governments of the day and it not reach everybody. So in can join the hand, join government and say reach more persons. But as we dey talk so,
I have to pause here. He say he need government support. Make they support him. Okay, you reason and now say because say you not support Obaseki. I don't say you want support Obaseki before, but how about no agree? How about no agree? Now it cause and way be say you not can support Obaseki again. You come say okay, since is there Yamuna come visit you for your office? Now you can say okay, man just support Ize Yamu. But as you not can still work out, my dear. I have a big boy now, every day, my dear. That will not stop you not to continue with what you they do. God will still bring more people who they support you. You understand? Maybe the reason and I say okay, maybe you not they get support again like before. The way people they support you before, people be too like you before. But now because of your rudeness, the way you come to they do once at a time, like Uncle Sam. People be love you when you come Europe. You see the way people they carry you like king. They never ever respect person like this. The way everybody take you that time. They carry you go different places that time. No place where you not go. Now so they as in who will hear boss to work money. People really feed you, you enjoy yourself, they donate money for you, they do so many things for you that time. But to your mouth, who know where go or the problem. Your mouth, the way you talk, you are too rude for my liking. Uru digbe. Now you cause all those things. You understand? So all those ways you say you want to come out, my dear, you go nowhere. Why continue, my dear?
Person wey be say he be the root for wey dey na POI aka Pastor Sage Zeya we come be say for the just concluded election he can lose. But we know say for any area wey for the represent na still winner because we know the support bad thing. Now wetin go support the society, wetin go favor the society, the less privileged, na we dey support. So our God don dey do this work based on say he not even want look anybody wey be say they discourage am. But as I dey talk to you so, he come make promise say if the person wey dey support, if he no win, he go close down the foundation. Based on say na so him and the friends now they always dey bring money out, say they help people, say they cost service of doctor to make sure say he dey empowered. So my people, the news they say, I dey very sorry, but I got to tell you, say, our guy, we be say, name na Ambassador Dion Osagi. The reason I'm say, he want shut down the foundation. We are be saying for the help people. We are be saying for the make sure, say, people will not get food set, they see chop. People will not get house, they see house stay. People will be say they never get leg to waka, give the leg to waka. So my people, now that be the news, so. I did very sorry, but I got to bring this news to you. I know so now feedback, one and non vex, that's the matter. so. That's how we want to survive. They're very good. Okay.
Yeah,
Because
people.
that not people, how we want to survive.
Yeah, all of them they cry, all the women wey dey head. So now that part I say more na you see here, my people. So this thing wey Don Osagie want do, so na good thing or na bad thing, my people. Na good thing or na bad thing. Don Osagie supposed to take this kind of decision. My darling people, more na reason am with me. Oh, if this thing wey Don Osagie want do so, if na good thing or na bad thing, you can leave your comment for the comment section. I really need your opinion. If this decision wey Don Osagie want take now, if na good thing, wanna let me know, my darling people. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. Bye.